Very good morning. My name is Sakile Dube from Safari and Surf in St. Lucia. Welcome to Ismangaliso. In South Africa, we've got a group of people. We call ourselves Nguni people. So out of Nguni people, we split into four. All four of us, you will find us on the east part of South Africa. In a province, we call it Eastern Cape. There is Xhosa people. Like Nelson Mandela, he was under the group of Xhosa from the Eastern Cape. In KwaZulu-Natal, we've got Zulu people. In a small country, Swaziland, we've got Swazi people. In Mpumalanga, close to Kruger National Park, there is Ndebele people. Ndebele, Swazi, Zulu, and Xhosa, all four of us, we fall under one group. We does have a click sound. As in South Africa, we've got 11 official languages. We can easily communicate with one another. The well-known people in South Africa with a click are the Khoisan or Bushmen. So four of us, we've got a click in the letter P. Our P, it sounds like P, 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 P. Like the name Ipapa, Ipeni, Ipipi, Impolompolo, Upopai. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. And we've got letter C. Our C, it sounds like the name Cela, Iqiqi, Cula, Ciqilia, Colombia, Canada, Coca-Cola, Ca-ce-ci-co-cu. And we've got letter X. Our X, it sounds like the name Xoxa, Ingxoxo, Ucam, Xuma, Xhosa, Ca-ce-ci-co-cu. And we've got letter Q. Our Q, it sounds like the name Qala, Qeda, Iqhude, Iqhalaqhala, Iqolaqoma, Ca-ce-ci-co-cu. If we like to use them together in a word, when we say a water monitor jump a fence, in my language I will say uqamu weqa ucingo. Uqamu weqa ucingo. Uqamu, it's a water monitor. Weqa is to jump. Ucingo, it's a wire. Any question? If not question, thank you. Ngiyabonga.